My little one, I love you more than all the leaves in this forest. One day, we'll fly together and see the world.
Mom, the sky is so big. I'm scared.
I know, little one, but I am here with you.
I can do it!
Easy now, flap gently.
Whoa, slipping!
Keep going, you're almost there!